Hello, good morning, student. Myself Arghya Kamal. Today I'll going to discuss about the augmented reality and how we can develop like augmented reality application, one small application. So, what is augmented reality? Augmented reality is basically a real world, and top of that we can see or interact some virtual object, such as we can see many games. There we can see through our phone camera or real world object, and top of that some virtual object which is not belongs to in our real world. So for that, to develop that kind of application, we will going to use unity unity 3D, and we will take help from the Vuforia, who is which is a SDK which helps to develop like this kind of applications. So let's start. So I am going to use Unity 2021 versions. So first I need to create a new project. So go to this tab, new project, and click on it. It will open another dashboard. Here I can choose any template. Here I am choosing the 3D core. I'll select it. A new project, I can give some project name, such as today we will discuss, like suppose we have a Bisleri bottle. We'll scan that bottle and we'll see that some virtual bottles will be seen in our phone screen. So we can name the project as a bottle. We can also choose the location where you want. I'm selecting the desktop only, and I have created a folder like AR sessions. I'll open that. No need to open. I'll just select the folder and hit like select folder, and then I'll make here not AR. Sorry, it's called AR sessions. Yeah, select the folder, and now I'll create the project. It will take some times to create and open the project. It will actually basically it's in background, it's compile all the necessary codes or it's required to create this kind of applications. It will take some time. Our project has been created, and this is a Unity interface. Here you can see left side is a hierarchy. Hierarchy means what are elements like game, object, camera, light, what are element we are using. Those name will be written here, and all those elements informations will be here. Like it is called inspector panel. So scale, rotations, positions, everything we can change or manipulate from here. We can add some component also from there, and in the down it's called the asset place or like project file. Whatever file we are having here, it will store all the files, and depending on folder we can also create to arrange our files. So first, if I come to this plus icon, you see there is camera is there, video, light, empty game object, and 3D game object as a cube, sphere, cylinder, everything is there. But what is our requirement? Like we need a AR camera, but here is a camera, but this is not AR camera, this is normal camera. We need a AR camera. So how we can get that? To get an AR camera, first we have to go to Vuforia SDK website. From there we have to download a package. So I'll go to Vuforia website. This is a SDK Vuforia development official website. Here in download tab, you can see this package like Vuforia engine 10.4 now currently available. So here we can see like Unity Vuforia engine like Android, download for Android, download for iOS, download for UWP, like that many options is there, but for our requirement we will use the first options, add Vuforia engine and to Unity project. But to access this, first you have to register. I have already registered, but if you don't have any account, there will be option like login and register. First you have to register. When you register, it will ask for basic details like email ID, name, maybe date of birth, and after that it will send a link to your email that what you are providing here. From there you have to verify, then it will your account will be created. That then you have to log in. After that you have to come to this download, and then you can click on this, so it will automatically start downloading this SDK. So here, but I have already downloaded. You can see this is the Vuforia package which I have already downloaded to save our time. If you have not downloaded, you can like simply click here, this kind of a tab will be open. There you can see the name, add Vuforia package, like what version is available for now, that versions, and then save. It will automatically download. So now I will import to our Vuforia engine. So this is the file, add Vuforia package. I'll just double click on it. It will automatically open the Unity game engine. Here it's asking for permissions, like what will be in that package. It's also mentioned that if I don't want any folder, we can uncheck also, but we need all the folders here, so I am not going to uncheck any options. We will simply hit import. So import that package. It will take another some minutes to import it, but it's asking for one update because when I have downloaded it was, I think, little low versions, so I'll update it. It won't take much time. Now it's compiling all the scripts. So I think it's almost done. So finally it is done. Now we can see here another folder is created, and this folder store all the scripts. So now we can click on this plus icon. We can see there is a new options now that is called Vuforia engine. Earlier it was not there. After installing the package only it will be available. So now here I can select AR camera. We need this camera to create an AR applications. So you can click on it, so it will generate. But what is our main camera? Now I will delete it. Right click and delete. These are AR camera, but if I turn it on now, if I play, then only the camera will automatically turn on. This is the benefits of AR camera. So I can stop it now. But now we need some like we have to configure our camera. We need some license key to use this camera. The same we have to go to the Vuforia engine. Now we can go to the develop portal. Click on the develop. There is called license manager, and then target manager. Target is what image I have seen, like Bisleri 500. Those image I will use the target, so I have to upload that in target manager. But I need first a license to use that camera and use that to access that data, like what I will upload in this target manager. So we can, I will click on the get basics. So it will open a new tab. Here I can give the name of the license. It's mandatory, you have to give a name. So what name I can give? I can give like bottle, BOTTLA, and I have to check this box and then confirm. See, earlier I have like AR1 license manager. Now I have created this next one, like bottle. Now I'll click the bottle. So this is my license key. So I'll just click, just one click. If you just click for one time, it will be copied. So I'll click for one time. It said copy to the clipboard, and now I can go to the Unity, and here it's called Open Vuforia Engine Configurations. Just click on it, and now here you can see, but you have to select the AR camera, then only this option will arrive. So after that you can see here app license key, add license. If you click here this add license, it will automatically take you to this developer portal, but we have already came here and we have generated this keys and we have copied it, so I will directly go here and I will simply right click and paste it. No need to add license. If you paste it, it will automatically generate your license. No need to add. If you click again the add, it will take to the same Vuforia websites. First, but I haven't saved my file, so I will save it now. File save. It is saved now. Which location I have given when I created the project, you will save on that project, that file only. If you go AR session, you can see this bottle. This is our since file. Like here asset, library, logs, package, everything it will arrange nicely. So come here. Now our job is in AR camera. I can add, like from the Vuforia, I can add a image target like Vuforia engine and go to image target. If you click on the image target, this see there is only XYZ axis, but nothing is there because this is basically empty. We have to give a image target. That image target first I have to upload into Vuforia that image, and from there I have to download the database, and from the database we can use that image target. So again I will go to the Vuforia, here the Vuforia and developer portal only, but not license manager. We have to go to the target manager. Now click on to the target manager. Here the database will open. There you can see lot of I have created already like AR book database. Now I'll add one new database, but before creating a database, try to make the name remember like bottle, BOTTLE, the same name you have to give it here. Add database. This is cloud sorry, the device only it will be, and the database name will be bottle, BOTTLE, and hit create. Now bottle will open. Here I have to upload my image. So now I will click that add target. Here this is the image because we are going to use that image as a AR marker. Now I have to choose the file from this file and browse. Click it. Go to AR sessions, and here is our image, and select and open. And the width means how much big we want to see that image in our phone screen or our Unity websites or Unity applications or software. So width I have given 10, and bottle name, what name I have given there, so that name only it's taken, but this is a name, there's a protocol, you can't use the space between those. So like that I have given like Bisleri, but tag I have given the T cap to understand this is a changing of what, and that AR marker again I have given the cap here, but I don't give any space or space in between those names. So now I will add it. So now our database already been created. Here I can see the rating. This 3 rating. Actually we need 5 rating to detect it very first, but this design is not done by me. This is done by some product only, so we can't change the design. To get like 5 ratings, we need to change and modify the design to change it. How much, like 3 is fine, but we need 4 or 5 to detect it very first. If you click here like show features point, we can see which point AR camera will understand to detect that same image. See this yellow plus is the features point which our AR camera will understand and will scan those point and will show like whatever virtual object will be assigned to that. So this is fine. So I can go back. It's asking for reloading thing. Continue. So this is our bottle image target. I will select it and hit download database. Now click on it. It will ask for Android Studio or Unity Editor. We are using Unity Editor, so we'll click on this and we'll download it. It will take some minutes to compile the database and download. It is downloaded. Which folder I want it, I will change the folder and I will save it here. It's already downloaded now. Now again I will go to Unity. Now here we have to import the database. How we can import? I will go to the file manager, here sessions. Here just simply this is the file. We just need to double click, or we can click and drag to Unity. That will also make the job done. Just I will double click. See here we can see the bottle image and some coding is also there. But we need all the file. Don't uncheck any of the files and hit import. Now the file is imported. Here after that, while selecting that image target, now you can see the inspector panel. There is a type of the database from image. From image you have to change it to from database, because we have uploaded the database and we have downloaded the database from Vuforia and we have imported the database. So we have we'll select here the from the database. Here the image target name from database. What is the image target name? There is a bottle and there is only one image target in that database, so we have no need to choose here if we have more than one database. So here all the name will be listed down. What is our requirement? We can select that database. Now this is our image target. Now if you simply go to that plus icon from the hierarchy, go to 3D object and click on cube. This is our maybe a virtual cube is this. These are virtual elements only. We'll select the cube and make a child of that image target by dragging on top of the image target. Now if first I will save the file, save it. Now if I turn on the camera, means if I play this scenes, it will automatically turn on the camera. Now you can see this is my bottle. If I show the bottle, you can see a virtual object like a cube. If I move the bottle or rotate the bottle, it will follow that bottle and it will react according to that only. So this is basically we have done our augmented reality part, but here we will change like cube, we will change as a bottle. But better, suppose this is a Bisleri product, so we definitely we have to create a same bottle how the Bisleri bottle is looks. But here I have downloaded some random bottle. I will use that for this purpose. So this is my bottle, water bottle. This file is FBX file. Unity will support FBX, OBJ, both the files. But here I can create a new folder, like right click and create a folder. I can give the name of like asset, ASSET, asset. I'll open that folder. I'll go to our main session folder. I'll select the bottle, water bottle, and we'll click and drag on here. Here it's now visible here. Now instead of the cube, I will use this bottle as a virtual object. So I'll select the cube from the hierarchy, right click and delete it. It's not required for us now. So this is a bottle. I'll select, I'll put top of our image target, but I think bottle size is very small, so it is not visible. So I will scale it. If you press the R in your keyboard, it will go to your scale and you can scale it. So you can see our bottle slowly scaling. So manually also I can come here, give some numbers like 50, 50, 50 or anything we can give to see the bottle. After selecting, now bottle size is quite big. Now I can arrange it properly top of the label of Bisleri. I'll make it little bit center. Yes, now this is totally fine. This place is fine. But now if I turn on the camera, nothing will be visible. See, I have click on the play mode. I show the bottle, but this bottle is not visible. Why? Because we have not make the bottle 3D bottle as a child of the image target. So we have to select it and drag top of the image target. Now if I play it, now if I show the bottles, we can see our bottles top of it. Now we can rotate it, but now we can't interact with that virtual bottle. We can only see it. Suppose we want to scale it or rotate it or change its positions. For that we need some plugins. So we can go to our asset store, asset, Windows, asset store, search online. It will open a new tab. From we can search like Lean Touch. Lean Touch is a free asset which helps to rotate or scale our object. Lean Touch. Here is our free Lean Touch asset. So I will go on that. We'll download. We need to download the asset. I have already downloaded, so it's saying add to my asset store. So I will hit to my asset store. It will ask some accept things, like these are their protocol, can say accept. This is only 979 KB. Then open Unity and open Unity editor. So it is asking for sign in. This is sign in. So again I can go to there. If it was already signed in, so it won't ask to sign in now. So again I have to click in open in Unity. Now we can see this is our asset. We have to either import or re-download, because I have already downloaded, so it's saying re-download. If you first time using, so it will ask for download and then import. So I have already downloaded, so I'll click on imports. Those all is required for us, like you can see button prefabs, all the those are the like scripts like rotation, scale, every for those things they already write the script. It will take some minutes to compile it. It is done. I can close this asset store. Now I come to my scene tab. Now if I click here, if I see there is an option called lean. Earlier it was not there. After importing that package or asset, then only it will available. And touch. If I click on it, it will be available here. So after that we have to select whatever 3D object you want to apply those touch or rotation, and then after selecting the object, come to the add component, click on it and search for, say automatically you can see like lean touch, lean select, like that. Everything is already there. Now we can see pinch scale, lean pinch scale. Pinch scale means we can use 2 finger to scale it or zoom or scale out. You can add like another thing also, like rotation, lean twist rotation. So we can select by 2 fingers and we can rotate it. If I play, it will open our camera the same as earlier. We can show the bottles, but in Unity I can't rotate it or scale it our bottles, because our laptop screen is not touch. If this is touch, maybe we can access it. but after exporting as a APK and install in phone, and then in phone screen when we will show this Bisleri bottle, and that bottle will come, virtual bottle will come top of that bottle, and that bottle we can scale it, rotate it, and change the position also from this lean touch asset. So now our job is done from Unity. Now we'll save it and I will build the applications. So go to file and build setting. First we have to change some settings. See, it is platform, for which platform we are going to make, that we have not tell to the Unity. By default it will be the Windows, because we are developing in the Windows operating system. So I'll change it to Android, because APK will support for Android only. And then after changing the Android, I have to click on the switch platform to changing from Windows to Android. Then switch platform, it will take another some minutes to switching the platform. Yeah, it's done. So we can go to now player settings. Here we can change some settings. Company name, by default we don't have company, so you can make it by default company only, but we can change anything, whatever you want you can type it. The product name, bottle, so that same what rename I have given for the file, the same name it has been taken. If I want, you can change it also. Right click and then typing whatever you want. Version, this is like first version only, so this is 0.1. Maybe after some time if you want to add some extra thing, you can relaunch it, so you can make the name as a version 2 or version 3. And after that there's an icon. Default icon is nothing, like it will take the same Unity icon what I can see in top of the left of this Unity. If you want to add some icon, you can create some image, and that you can choose and drag it and drop of that, so it will take that image icon. So other thing is not, no need to change here anything, everything is fine. Other setting we can see, is there anything to change? No, all is correct settings only. So we can close the tab and we can click on the build option, so it will start developing the application, but it will take some time. But which location we want, the same air sessions, and inside the bottle only it will take. I can give the rename as bottle and I will hit as save. It will take some time to build the applications. After that we have to take that APK to any Android phone and we can install it and we can enjoy our augmented reality applications. That's all. Now our application has been created. Here you can see the bottle APK. So I hope now you have learned how AR actually works and how we can create or develop any AR applications. So thanks for watching. I hope it's a little bit valuable for you. Thank you so much.